Hello guys, welcome back to day 28 of my Kaftan Design Challenge. And if you need any of my project file, you can visit the website link in the description box to purchase any of the project or any of the design you like in any of these particular days or any of my streetwear mockup. You get it there. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos from me. So let's continue. So I'm going to be deleting some patterns. So I'm going to delete these. Okay. I'm going to delete these, delete these, delete these, delete these, delete these, delete these, delete these. I'm going to delete this also. Delete this, delete, and delete this. Yeah. So I'm going to delete this, and delete this, and taking this off. So okay. So delete this. Yeah, delete these two lines. So I'm going to simulate so you can see how it looks like. So simulate. Okay. Okay. So we're good to go. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to select this and okay. Let me first start with this. Going to click on Z and just okay, let me click on this and increase the shrinkage wrap to 120. I click on space bar. Yeah, so we have something like this. I don't know. This is okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to right click and click on layer clone over. Yes, I'm going to do that here. I'm also going to do the same thing to the back pattern. I've not deleted it. Yes, I need to delete this one. So I'm going to click on this and right click and select layer clone over. Let me simulate. Let me simulate so see how it looks like here. So you have something like this. Okay, I need to also delete this one too. Yeah, delete and delete this one too. Yeah. So okay, let's select this one too, and we are going to do right click and layer clone over. Yes, we select this, right click and layer clone over. So this and this one I'm going to remove link editing. This I'm going to right click and remove link editing, select this and remove link editing, select this and remove what where is link editing? Yeah, link editing. So we'll start with the top pattern. Let me simulate again. Let's see, there's nothing loose here. Okay, so we are good to go. So I'm just going to start by creating an internal line. Can start with this particular shape. Let's create it. Let's see. Let me see how this looks like. So we have something like this. Select A. I'm going to spin it like this. Okay. So just watch. So I have something like this. I'm going to select Control C, Control V. So this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to right click. You can see giving me more options. So I'm going to do something like this. I'm just going to scatter it around. You get? I'm just going to scatter it around. So select this, Control C, Control V. Yep. So okay, let me have it here. Select this, Control C, Control V. Then I'm going to right click. I'm going to like, yep. I don't think I need this. So let me just adjust the distance. Yeah. So what if I now select all these? Control C, Control V. If I right click, yes, I'm not going to bring this. So okay, one more. Yeah, we have something like this. Yeah, so I can just copy this. Control C and paste it here. Control V. Just paste it behind. You get. Then Control V. Then I'm going to like right click and I'm going to click on okay. Oh no, I know what to do. So I'll, instead of doing that, let me just select V on my keyboard. I'll just select these ones from here. because of the position in there. So I'm going to select Ctrl C, Ctrl V, same thing, just same thing. Then right click and do it here. Yeah, so you have it there. Let me see this. No, not this. I'm not supposed to do this. Okay, down. Let me bring it down a bit. Come down, come down, come down, come down, come down, come down. Oh, it's not even moving, sorry. Something. Yes. I don't know, I think it's fine. So I'm going to copy these two. Just copy one is fine. One is fine. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Just take it here, it's fine. Yeah. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Taking it here is fine. Okay. So I'm going to paste one here because I'm thinking of doing to the pants also. So I'm going to paste one here. So we do this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select all of them. Select all of them. I'm holding on shift to select all. Right click and I'm going to select cuts. So I'm going to delete all this space in between. Can see this, so backspace. So we're going to do the same thing here. Select these, select these, select all these, all these, all these. Right click and just cut. I'm going to select all this again. You can see this. So yeah, so then delete them. So do the same thing to these two. So I'm going to select this and these. Right click, just cut. Fine. So you have something like this and we have something like this. So you can see this. So let's do the same thing to the pants also. So I'm going to select this and right click and select and layer clone over. Let me just place it here below. Right click and select layer clone over. So select this, right click and select layer clone over. Select this and right click and select layer clone over. I have to remove link editing from these four. I don't know if it's going to work. Yeah, remove link editing. Yeah, sharp. So that's good. I'm going to delete this one here and yeah, so you have something like this. I'm going to copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay. Should I link these two together? Let me link these two together. So it's easier for me. So symmetric pattern. Okay. Let me delete this first. I'll take this here. Let me take it here. I'm coming. Let's see this. See, it's going to work. So symmetric pattern. Why is it not working? Okay, that's weird. Anyhow, I'll just do it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just doing some things here. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Hey. So what I'll do is just select all the pattern, everything, every single thing. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Yeah. Ew. it's opposite side, so I can't use that. So let me just, I'll see it like that, don't worry. I'm going to flip. I'll see if I can flip it correctly. So Control V. Z. I'm just selecting 1 1. Oh no, Control Z. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Z. Right click. It says flip here. Let me, if I can get the right flip. It did not work. Or did it work? Let me see. I have to wait. Okay, it did. I'll just do so I'll just do some minor adjustments. Something, yeah, something. So let me click on this again. Yes, click on 1 2 3. Control C, Control V. Just do the same thing here. Yeah. Just supposed to even cut and so as I'm doing all this, but I'm not even doing that, so it's fine. So I have to cut everything one by one. So I have to select all of them. So 1 2 3. Right click, cut. Sorry. Yeah, delete. Yes, 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 yes. Yep. Which side did I delete? Okay, I think it's this. So so let's delete, 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 delete. Cut all this, yes. So the last one. So I'm going to right click and cut. So I'm just going to select, oh sorry, select all these, shift. Yep. Yeah, so we have this. So this is our final design. So remaining is just texture. So I'm just going to select this and create a copy. Let me simulate. Let me see simulate so that everything can relax. So okay, it's on. So it looks good. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll just tell you to suggest two Kaftan fabric color with color code color. So let's wait for it. What is this? This is a royal teal with sunset orange again. Let me see this color. Control C. I'm going to go to Clo. The first one. I know. Okay. Let me put this to these. Okay, what do you suggest? Okay, I think I'll, instead of this, Control Z. So I'm going to select all these pattern to the white one. Yeah, you can see, but then I'm not using this color because I'll use the sunset orange. Control C, and I'm going to click on Clo, click on this, click on this, click on this, Control V, and we have something like this. You can see something simple. So as you can see, there are holes in it, so it's not like they are stitched together with it. So if I simulate, let me show you something. I'm going to pull now. Let me pull it so you can see what I'm saying. So you can see that they are separated. You can see this, and see they are separated, not stitched. You see. Okay, let me pull the outer part. You can see. So let's see this. This is good. So yeah, so this is our design for day 28, and thank you for following up this tutorial of this simple kaftan design. Just click on the subscribe button and stay tuned for day 29.